eni duka mar jumbla mar Naivas ne oyaw bade manuendo mar adeke boma ma Kisumu, kama bende koro dukanoero, mabende koro noyaw gwenge ko mag Simba Club Hall, machiegni koda ka United Mall gwenge ko mag wang'apaya madhi Kakamega, boma ma Kisumu nomiyo koro gene kwan mag dukni ko 74 e alwora mar piny Kenya kaendi. Kane olero wachni endi, ayanga CEO mar Naivas migosi Willy Kimani ne wacho ni sani koro gibiro dhi nyime kod yawo bende bede mag Naivas mang'eny ahinya e pachoka endi, kwacho ni koro maendi nyiso tudruok maber ahinya e kindgi koda Kamago kuma gin customers maggi. Kuom sani endi ne giwacho ni gitimo maber manuendo e pachoka endi, kendo gin gi mor madhi nyime chiwo ne oganda jo Kenya mago kuonde ma ginyalo time mago mag gin nyiepo mag okang' maber. E thuolo ma sani ni endi nitiere piem mar ahiri titi e kind dukni go eko koro gin kanyakla koda kanako mat kod Currefour ka koro gintiere bende mano e piem malich ahinya. Kata kamano Naivas pod nitiere nyime ka koro sani endi ne oyawo nyaka bade ma 73 mano ende gwenge mag Roero e boma ma Nairobi kaendi.
I'm happy that you are here today to launch our 74th store and third in Kisumu. It's one of the best stores that we have ever had in the country. The layout, the space. This is our flagship store within this region and in general sense one of the best stores that we actually have in the country. We believe Kisumu still has capacity to even grow. We are looking to even go within the environs of Kisumu and the general region. And Kisumu has been kind to us and the customers appreciate us. We have some very good opening offers. Some of the offers as we speak right now have already almost sold out by virtue of selling a cooker from 22,000 to 9,000. You know, those are the things that excite the customers, and we are happy that they are all going quite okay and quite fine. Again, partnering with our suppliers to give the best value, partnering with the local authorities to ensure that compliance is actually well thought out, and in all those, and before anything else, is to give back to the community. One, by increasing employment. Just this store alone has been able to employ 170 guys directly and more indirectly. And what we do as a national supermarket is we bring in the people, and the people go to all over the countries and all of our other stores in the country. And it's to say, anywhere we are actually going, we are helping to actually star and spur that particular economy.
Peas and Cousins is a global multinational company based in UK. We are 120 years in Africa and we are in Kenya for more than 60 years, and we started our operation in Kenya from Kisumu. Today it is a very proud moment for us to partner with Naivas, a homegrown Kenyan grown retailer who has been extremely successful so far, and we have been growing and together working with them because we believe in partnership. All suppliers believe in relationship with the key retailers, and we are sure that Naivas will continue to grow to become a 100 billion company in the next 2 years or even less than 2 years with 100 branches throughout Kenya. What we like with Naivas is that they focus on customers and we love interacting with them as customers. And Cousins, you can see the proud brand of Cousins Baby is #1 in Kisumu. Everybody loves it, and Imperial Leather Sabuni is, of course, everybody knows it.